Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper fancy party wear dress. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a square piece of paper. So I'm taking blue. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So we have to do this slowly. Next step is that we're supposed to take one part of the paper like this and we have to fold it like this so the top part touches here. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. So after we do this, we have to turn the paper to the opposite side and we'll have a skirt-like structure. So now we're supposed to fold the paper on the top part like this and we have to turn it to the opposite side. So our skirt part is ready. So now we'll be making the top part. So I'm taking pink color paper. You guys can take any color you like and we're supposed to be drawing a shirt. So I'm just going to be drawing a rectangle part at the bottom part of the paper like this. So now I'm just going to be measuring the part here so that it will be easy for making it and will be at the correct measure. So I'm drawing it like this. You guys can take a ruler if you like. So now I've drawn a rectangle and next I'm just going to be drawing a small rectangle on the right hand side and left hand side of the paper to keep it as hands. So we have to do this slowly and now our shirt is ready. So I'm taking a scissor and I'm cutting this out. So you guys can do this slowly and be careful while using a scissor because you might cut your hands. So you can make any design for your shirt or you can draw even a big gown or something. But I'm just going to be drawing a shirt and making it simple. So I'm cutting it out. So now after we cut it out, our shirt will be ready. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue on the back part of the skirt that we did before. So I'm applying some glue on that. And I'm just going to be sticking the shirt on here. So now I'm going to be turning the paper to the opposite side like this. So after we complete this, our dress is ready. So you guys can leave it like this if you like, but I'm just going to be decorating it. So I'm just going to be drawing some small dots on the skirt part here to make it more beautiful. And I'm also going to be drawing just small lines on the bottom for more decoration. So you can decorate it in your own creativity and it's your wish about how you decorate it. So after we do that, I'm just going to be taking a blue marker and I'm just going to be drawing small lines on the corner part of the paper here. So you can use any marker or color pencils to do this. I'm just going to be using a marker and I'm just going to be writing dress on the top part of the shirt. And I'm just going to be drawing a small heart here. So after we complete this, our paper fancy dress is ready. So you can use your own creativity and decorate it in any way you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!